Take a look at this building on the right. Do you notice something different about it? Well, you should. It contains a cantilever. A cantilever is an area of the building, like this, that juts out of the building by some distance. When you see an apartment building with balconies coming off of the building, they are cantilevered out. This building has a large cantilever coming from the top. Usually, this isn't something that you see on a building. Architects more commonly have these coming out of the center of the building as opposed to seeming as though they might topple from the top. Be that as it may, cantilevers are fun to look at, and they're also fun to draw in two-point perspective. So let me show you how to do that now. If you take a look at my drawing over the photograph of this simulated building, it's not a real building, it's an artist's rendering, you'll notice that this looks just like the top of a two-point perspective building, because it is. Look at the lines I've drawn. It's a two-point perspective building. Now, let's move on. If we want to add a cantilever to this building in the center section, which is where it's more commonly found, this is how we would do it. The first thing I'm going to do is extend the side of my building outwards. There it is, extended. You'll notice that I've just taken my orthogonal line that's going to the vanishing point down here and gone out. Now I'm going to decide where the bottom goes. This is definitely your choice of how thick this cantilever is going to be. Now I need a corner, which is obviously going to be a vertical, like so. Now I'm going to switch to blue so as not to confuse you. The line that I'm about to draw is going to my right vanishing point. And now I'm going to finish the top. Just a couple more lines to go. I'm now going to show where this cantilever hits the main building with another orthogonal going off to the right vanishing point. So that's my key to how big this cantilever is going to be, because the next thing I need to do is go out to the vanishing point on the left, like so. And finally, I need to finish the right edge. And so there I have my cantilever. And now I would go back and I would erase any of those things that I would not see. I'm going to use a little orange X to indicate which lines would go away. Now that line would go away only between this top point and the bottom of the cantilever. Then this area right here would go away, as well as that line right there. And if we get rid of those lines, you would be able to see that this looks like a letter L turned upside down. So now it's your turn. Try and draw a cantilever or two. They can be done above, at, or below eye level, or all three at the same time. Be creative. Use them on two different sides. Have fun.